Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got another customer. This is a 2007 Hyundai Veracruz, and the customer, he want me to replace the top pad for the rear coil spring. So this one. So this is from, it's a genuine part from Hyundai. So we will be replacing this, the one on the top. So I will be showing you how to put that spring over here. Alright, let's do it. Alright, first let's put this genuine part. So it's pretty straightforward. Just put like this. Actually, there's a guide. Perfect. And just push it like that. To go. So the same thing, the bottom one, there's also a guide like this. Just put like that, and there you go. And then this one, it has like this. It goes over here. There is a hole. Where is that? Over here. I don't know if you could see that. See it? This one. There's a hole. And what? See this? Put it like this. There you go. Alright, so if you're doing this by yourself, you can grab anything that can put on these two holes in here. Like that. Then you can use your feet and pull it down. Then you can insert this. There you go. Need more. Make sure it's aligned. There you go. It's aligned. There you go. Nice. Alright. And then use this. Alright. Jack it until it reaches the hole. Alright. So, ball is on. That's the bolt right there. Put the nut on. This one on the other side. Now, let's tighten it. There you go. That's it. Alright, so that's it. So that's how you install a pad insulator for this 2007 Hyundai Veracruz. It's only one bolt right there. It's number 19. So there's a nut right there. Hope you could see it. Then you also be needing this to lift this side. Alright, that's it. This is just a quick video of how to install that coil spring. '07 Hyundai Veracruz.